Guys, good morning.
There's not much to do when all
Guys, good morning. So, hey, my guys, you. Shut my phone. Your fan is we are working out, so it will go down. Today I'll be filming what I do after morning shift in my life. I think today I have some spicy things to do before I come back home or when I come back home. This is what I'll be doing, but now I'm going to work, so see you after work. Don't mind those things up there. I'm yet to clean. Anyways, see you after work. So guys, I've closed from work now. Let's go. I'm going to pay my bill, my light bill to be precise. So let's go. Almost there, but it looks like there are a lot of people there. Oh, let's go home. From Simanante, I'm in Drew down. I feel the bedroom of sin. In Drew. Receipt. Is there anything? I'm in Kobe Kangwe. I feel the Drew feed, ma'am. That was So I'm home now. I'm going to eat this food that was given to me when I went for the clinical meeting and rest small. After that, I'll go and bath. I'll be done for the day. Let me just mount you guys on my tripod so that we continue. Oh, now we are here. Let's change up. So when I come back from work, I do wash my hands before. So let's do the social hand washing. I'm urging everybody to learn this type of hand washing because it's good. At least 15 seconds, 20 seconds, it's okay. This is the rice I brought from work. Let's see if it's nice. I think this one is, it said it's fried rice. Let's taste and see if it's actually nice. So I don't do anything much after I come from work. I just eat sometimes. Sometimes I'll eat, sometimes I won't eat. I'll just sleep. Oh, that's nice. I think this is my French rice. I'm talking about cooking in my how much? You are invited. Anyway, the rice is nice. I think one of my colleagues has been cooking the rice for us. Let me just divide this food very quickly offline, then I'll come back to talk to you. See you. Now I'm done eating. Let's go and take some water. I've been trying hard to get water to drink. Baby, are you? So this bowl is for my vitamin C. I'm an anti supplement, but there are certain vitamins that you never get. How many times do I take fruits in a day? How many times do I take oranges? In fact, vitamin C and never go. So I take this one. It's even finished. I don't know if you can see. I come back for it. Yeah, see, say I'm a DDA. That's the body. The actual yarning and that. I'm feeling sleepy. There are many crying. The water tea is so good for sleeping. See you when I wake up. Hi guys. So I took a nap about 5 hours. I slept for 5 hours. Yes. Woke up to go and bath. So now I'm going to do my skincare. My night skincare is quite simple. I use this Nivea cream now, and this cream is really hard, so I have to make it a little bit soft. It is white and general with this. Then I add my recovery oil about the, and I blend it together. It will be a little bit softer for me to use. It's quite heavy, so you can feel it on the skin, unlike my Nivea soft skin. These bonnets don't stay on my hair. By the time I wake up, it's off. Let's make some tea to tea. I'm making this black tea, Lipton to be precise. Let's add some sugar. Nowadays, I'm restraining myself from taking a lot of sugar. And I think it's okay. Okay, let's shake. And then I direct flavor. Then I'll add my ideal milk. And I do. After this, I'll go and sleep. I'm quite tired. Bend my tongue. So I'm done, guys. I'm going to sleep. See you in my next one.